Talk to my camera real quick. Scroll up.
You already know what's going on with foes, man, all day. He's sweet!
At night get road rage, I throw it in track and then I smash the gas. Take this bitch to underground and tell her make it fast. I can't jump behind the wheel. It's game day. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Bandman.yT and we back with another video. And today is game day. We about to go ahead and get started with our morning routine, brush teeth, deodorant, you know what I'm saying? Just the normal, you dig. I ain't gonna lie. My energy levels is alright. I'm alright right now. I ain't got all that energy I had for y'all last video. More so mentally locked in, getting prepared for the day. Game doesn't start till 7. We don't have to be there until like 4:30. Right now it's about 9. I need to make a few other errands real quick before we get to the game. So I'm gonna bring y'all with me as far as that. But right now we're about to go ahead and get our face wash, brush our teeth, and go ahead and get up out of here and go run our errands. All right, I'll catch y'all in a second. All right, y'all, we got a mini breakfast going on, you know what I'm saying? Banana, orange, maple sausage. I don't know, I'm probably not gonna eat those eggs. Get some cereal. So we gotta get a good breakfast in, but tune in with y'all in a second. All right, y'all, we back. Finna finish getting ready. I went downstairs to go get some toothpaste. Ended up getting breakfast. Y'all gonna see that all in the video, but now we finna finish getting ready. I placed the order for like some gloves and stuff. It didn't come on time. Somebody was calling me, but yeah, I did place an order for some gloves and stuff. They didn't come on time. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing this right, but I think it's Rebels. I'll count y'all days, man. I placed the order for some gloves, bro, with express shipping 2 weeks ago, and they still haven't came. So I don't know, man. But and then they bogus as hell. They give me this. Now don't get me wrong, we got these at my job too, but still, like this little piece of. Anywho, but yeah, we gotta run our dates and get a pair of gloves and then some other little accessories and stuff like that. But y'all gonna see that in the video. Alright, man, y'all looking too hard, man. I'm gonna catch up with y'all in a second, bro.
1 hour later.
Alright, y'all, your boy just left the barber shop. I ain't gonna lie, I'm looking clean. The nigga come out here, bro. Shout out to him, bro. He was cool as hell. He cut my shit exactly how I wanted it. I ain't gonna lie. Anything was looking better than what I had, so we ain't gonna complain too much. God is good. We looking good. We feeling good. I'm gonna get up with y'all once we get there. It has been a long, eventful day so far, and then we also need to get something to eat, so we not running around on no empty stomach. We definitely don't want to do that. We want to make sure we got enough energy for the day. Yeah. And it's crazy because I look like a whole different person now that I'm talking to y'all. Hey, man, you gotta look good to feel good, to play good, so they can pay good. You understand me? So it's all a part of the plan, man. We finna go check out one of these malls and see what they got up in there. I'm gonna get up with y'all in a second, though.
Talk to my camera real quick. Scroll up.
You already know what's going on with foes, man, all day.
Oh shit. Too much! Boom! 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 Baby!
fuck is that guy? Who the fuck is that? You know damn well who I am. Who the fuck is that?
Just to add a little context here, his cleat somehow got stuck on my shoestring, and that's how I ended up tripping and ended up on the ground right here.
He's sweet! Yeah, that's me.
He said, yeah, that's me.
That's my fault. Hey, Shorty, get him. Ready? 180. Come on left. Come on here. 180 to go. 180. Come here. 180 to go.
We gotta make plays, fellas. We gotta make plays. It's gonna come down to us making plays soon. You hear me? For real.
Make this big ass tire. Come in. Come in. Ready?
Funny.
180. 180 to go. Let's go.
He down.
Let's go. Thursday, go. Good.
Oh God. Huh.
Eagle. Thursday. Let's go. Just let him hit you. You gonna get thrown. Stop. You did.
Yes, you did. I'm watching that pushing people off the pile. That's supposed to be 15 on you. You can't do it.
Listen to him. Listen to him. Just listen.
It's really.
180 to go.
Yeah, I ain't ducking nothing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that's order. Go. Yeah! That's the fuck I do! What you talking about? Let's go!
I see these. On the ball! Why, let's go!
Yeah! 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 Fucking so talking loud! Fucking so saying! Come on!